this was the vlog that no wait, पहले intro.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है। 1 2 3 फक it।
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not watched chest triceps, go watch it. And this was our second day of the gym workout series that was targeting. हाँ करा है, but that was not explained properly. वो एक और तरीके से आ जाएगा अच्छे से. This was back and biceps. इसमें approximately back के exercises 5 to 6 थी, 6 to 7 थी. I think 6 थी and then last में 2 were biceps. You can watch it further. आगे मैं डाल दूँगी उसको. With explaining everything through voiceover. Watch the workout and enjoy. Alright, so the first exercise is lat pull downs. We did 3 sets of this and we kept on increasing weight with each set. And of course, as you can see, ये जो sets होते हैं, these are fast forwarded so that the vlog does not become boring. अब ये जो second exercise है, इसको you can do it with a barbell as well, but we chose to do it with this equipment because the grip is much better with this. It basically targets your upper back. This third exercise of back is called seated cable row. इसमें you have to sit comfortably and make sure कि तुम्हारे legs के आगे, feet के आगे there is a stopper so that you're not moving continuously backwards or forwards. Push the weight towards your chest and lean a bit backward. This one is not compulsory. तुम इसकी जगह कुछ और भी exercise you can implement because हमारे gym में this machine is available. We chose to give it a try today for the first time and it focused a lot on my shoulder as well. So I was tired from the previous workout. For the fifth back exercise, again if you have this machine then you can do machine rows. Otherwise you can also try dumbbell rows. They are equally effective. We just wanted to try this machine out, that is all. Also इसमें make sure to not use your arm strength, use your back muscles. For the last exercise, back की, you can either try deadlifts. Although deadlifts में बहुत ज़्यादा energy लगती है. So end में if you are very tired and you do not have the energy to give your all, then simply do barbells rows like I am doing in this one, or you can even try face pulls. So the last 2 exercises that we did were bicep curls and hammer curls. पहला barbell से किया और दूसरा dumbbell से किया. It's up to you guys, whichever way you want to do, you can do. सिर्फ dumbbell से भी दोनों exercises करी जा सकती हैं. It is all fine. Remember that the last rep of each set should be a struggle. So even though बहुत कम views आ रहे हैं and everything else, but I'm still very motivated to keep bringing the content and eventually getting more views. Slowly growth upwards. Yes, more views, more likes, more comments and more subscribers. बहुत धीरे धीरे increase हो रहा है but हो रहा है. So keep watching, keep supporting and I hope you liked the video. थोड़ा कम इसमें entertainment था. Entertainment वाला video next वाला आएगा. You are going to love that one. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications and see you in the next one.